When it comes to enhancing the beauty and functionality of your outdoor spaces, few improvements are as impactful as landscape lighting. Whether you're entertaining guests, relaxing with family, or simply enjoying the beauty of your garden, well-placed landscape lighting can transform your outdoor areas into a welcoming, functional, and visually stunning environment. In Flower Mound, where residents take pride in their homes and outdoor spaces, landscape lighting is an essential feature that not only highlights your property's beauty but also provides practical benefits. In this article, we'll explore the many advantages of landscape lighting in Flower Mound, from improving curb appeal to enhancing safety and security, as well as creating the perfect ambiance for any occasion. Enhancing curb appeal. First impressions are everything, and the exterior of your home plays a significant role in how it's perceived by visitors and passers-by. One of the most significant benefits of landscape lighting is its ability to enhance your home's curb appeal. Thoughtfully designed lighting fixtures can highlight your home's architectural features, draw attention to unique landscaping elements like trees, fountains, or statues, and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. In Flower Mound, where many homes feature spacious front yards and beautiful gardens, the right landscape lighting can accentuate the natural beauty of your outdoor spaces. Path lights, uplights, and spotlights can illuminate your home's front entryway, driveway, and landscaping, making it stand out even after the sun sets. By choosing the right lighting, you can ensure your home looks beautiful both day and night. Improved safety and security. Landscape lighting isn't just about aesthetics, it also plays an important role in increasing the safety and security of your home. Well-lit walkways, driveways, and entry points make it easier for you, your family, and guests to navigate your property at night. Adequate lighting can prevent accidents by ensuring that paths and stairs are clearly visible, reducing the risk of trips and falls. In addition to improving visibility, landscape lighting can enhance your home's security by deterring potential intruders. A well-lit exterior makes it more difficult for unwanted visitors to approach unnoticed. Motion sensor lights placed around your home's perimeter can alert you to movement in the yard or along the driveway, giving you peace of mind and an added layer of protection. For homeowners in Flower Mound, where security is a top priority, the right landscape lighting can be a simple but effective way to safeguard your property. Creating the perfect ambiance. One of the most significant advantages of landscape lighting is its ability to create a particular mood or ambiance in your outdoor space. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, enjoying a quiet evening, or celebrating a special occasion, lighting plays a key role in setting the atmosphere. With landscape lighting, you can choose from a wide variety of lighting techniques and fixtures to achieve the desired effect. Soft, warm lights can create a relaxed and cozy atmosphere perfect for outdoor dining or lounging. On the other hand, brighter lights can add drama and focus attention on particular features in your garden or yard. You can highlight the natural beauty of your flower beds, trees, or water features, creating a serene, magical ambiance that is perfect for evening relaxation. Landscape lighting in Flower Mound also allows you to extend your time outdoors, turning your garden into a welcoming retreat long after the sun goes down. Increasing property value. Investing in high-quality landscape lighting can have a significant impact on the value of your home. When buyers see a well-lit, beautifully landscaped exterior, it signals that the home is well maintained and cared for. Landscape lighting adds an extra layer of appeal that enhances the property's attractiveness, making it more desirable to potential buyers. In Flower Mound, where homes are known for their expansive outdoor spaces and high-quality landscaping, adding professional-grade landscape lighting can increase the overall appeal and marketability of your property. By strategically illuminating your outdoor features, you not only make your home stand out in the neighborhood but also improve its resale value. Low-maintenance solutions. Modern landscape lighting options are designed to be both durable and low maintenance. LED lights, which are commonly used in landscape lighting, are energy efficient and have a long lifespan, meaning you won't have to worry about frequent bulb replacements. These lights are also weather-resistant and capable of withstanding the elements, making them perfect for Flower Mound's varying climate conditions. With minimal maintenance required, landscape lighting is an easy and cost-effective way to enhance your outdoor space. Once installed, you can enjoy the benefits of a well-lit exterior with very little upkeep. Plus, many lighting systems can be set on timers or controlled remotely, making it even more convenient to adjust the lighting to suit your needs. Highlighting outdoor living spaces. Flower Mound is home to many properties with expansive outdoor living areas, such as patios, decks, and gardens. Landscape lighting is a fantastic way to highlight and enhance these spaces, allowing you to enjoy them well into the evening. Proper lighting around seating areas, dining spaces, or outdoor kitchens can create a welcoming environment for family gatherings, barbecues, and social events. Incorporating lighting into your outdoor living spaces also makes it easier to entertain at night, providing the right balance of light and shadow to set the perfect mood. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or simply enjoying a quiet evening on the patio, landscape lighting adds an extra layer of warmth and functionality to your outdoor areas. Conclusion. Landscape lighting in Flower Mound offers a wide array of benefits that go beyond just aesthetics. From enhancing curb appeal and creating the perfect ambiance to improving safety and increasing property value, landscape lighting is a smart investment for homeowners looking to elevate their outdoor spaces. Whether you're looking to entertain, relax, or simply enjoy your garden, the right lighting can transform your outdoor areas into a beautiful, functional, and inviting extension of your home. For Flower Mound homeowners, investing in landscape lighting is an easy way to enhance both the beauty and safety of your property. With a variety of options available, you can create a customized lighting solution that suits your needs and style, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor spaces to the fullest.